Third floor here. I was going to return this mask somebody had lost, didn't lost and found. I was going up here. Looks like I think that's what tripped the fire alarm. Another one here. Leaking. You see there. There's another one over there. Was doing the most of the dripping. And I think that's what tripped the fire alarm. I think that's what tripped the fire. Yeah. There she is getting her souvenir picture of it.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, as you see, it's dripping like crazy.
That one is pretty bad.
They must have blew a hole. One of the pipes must have burst or something. So. Mr. Joker, you don't know anything about the water blowing up, do you?
I may have done a little plot.
Oh, that's the leak. That's also the leak. These are all leak. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Oh, darn it, I missed that stuff. Darn, I missed the shot right there.
Okay, you're the architect. Right now you're not a structural engineer, but you are the architect.
This one's about to go.
There's a whole group.
Oh, okay. Oh, that one's about to go.
That one's about to go. It's muffler.
Okay.
From the rain. Oh my God! After the heavy rain, that's the worst. Literally the opposite.
Yeah. I'm afraid to be on this level. But not really, not enough.
Yeah.
Here's the flowers, every one of them like fills up.
Yeah, like once every like 10 minutes, another one falls.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Did you get your badge?
Yeah. Take it down.
Smells like could be a fire too.
Yeah. That one's gonna drop in a minute. We clashed with the element.
Okay, well, that's going to probably be... That one has a big hole in the roof. And there's a guy...
Sorry. I'm trying. I didn't read it. I know.
Fire suppression.
I think it's the clear.
I think that means it's the back.
I think that's the all clear.
May I have your attention, please? The alarm has been investigated and has been determined false. There is no need for concern at this time. Thank you, and find out any inconvenience the alarm may have caused. May I have your attention, please? The alarm has been investigated and has been determined false. There is no need for concern at this time. Thank you, we'll find out any inconvenience the alarm may have caused. May I have your attention, please? The alarm has been investigated and has been determined false. There is no need for concern at this time. Thank you.
Oh, there's another one over there. This one's, there's another one over there. All of them.
Collected water. It's over there.
There's one over there and there's one right here.
Was there another one?
Yeah, right there. back there. We can like roll that trash.
I mean, are there others on this floor, or is this the only area?
We're trying.
I don't know. But I know there's 2 more right there. I mean, I don't really know what the cause is. It might be just sprinklers project.
Looks like the pipe broke.
The pipe, yeah.
Looks like one of the pipes broke.
There's a cup. Like, I feel like that should be a panel watching the movie.
Yeah, my dollar.
That should be a panel.
Suffer from them. I think it's just been so sorry about that. It's going to be very painful. Yeah.
What happened? Oh, really?
Okay.
That's what I was
We'll be happy to
I was
have
wondering
it.
if some pipe broke upstairs or something.
I was thinking the same.
No. Did they give her at least any pain medicine for it? Okay.
Nope.
All right.
Anyone else taking pictures?
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. Yes, she does. You guys can go past. It's okay if you go past.
Sir?
Yes.
If you notice that one that's all soaked, it's...
Now, the hotel staff's aware of it. They're going to come up and bring somebody to fix it.
Yeah, but I don't think you better have them cross there. They're going to end up with it clunked on their head.
Sounds getting faster.
Apparently from the rain that we had earlier.
When did the ceiling go?
I don't know.
You know, I would actually advise that you not stand directly under it right now.
Before the whole ceiling
All right.
That thing's going to
Before
probably...
the whole ceiling falls
Might
down and we're stuck.
fall.
The server here's been leaking as well. It's okay.
At this point, that still looks like it's ready. When they have people walk under that part, that looks like the part that's ready to...
This whole thing.
That's what we built up here. Yes, there is a pass-through behind you.
Yeah, so we'll
Go around them.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna lock this area off. Don't stand
Can you
in
do
that
me a
area.
favor? Can you do me a favor? Can you go into headquarters and ask Lindsay for a roll of either the green tape or masking tape?
Sure, no problem. Okay, just leave it.
Yeah, one of the pieces already come.
Okay.
This one's starting to go right here.
The ceiling tiles will roll. Okay. You cannot stand directly under that. You know what? I would stand now.
This is too much for me.
Huh?
This is too much for me.
Yeah, no.
That way you're not standing underneath it.
No, actually, one of the smaller ones was
Probably should use the AnimeFest poster to walk things off. Yeah, that's
Like it is taken.
If any of the fire,
Okay.
the water line, the fire line, if any of it loses pressure, like it gets
Well, we're going to walk the whole thing, so they have to go that way. You have to go through the bathroom.
I wouldn't put the...
Everyone that way around the bathroom.
Do you have any tape?
they're coming up.
I checked there. They're looking for tape right now.
We're trying to take
And I don't think it's a good idea to leave that chair there. It might get soaked.
Knowing all about how much we need, probably just
Yeah, take the chair out. That's going to get...
coming out here.
And it's still a drip on. See all the water, it's still a drip on.
Yeah, it's coming out here. I was standing right on the
Well, they missed a shot where the thing broke apart finally.
You videotape the
Yeah,
honest
it's
things.
Huh?
rolling off.
So you videotape the honest things.
Well, it's probably, well, to me, this probably be worth a shot. This probably be worth something to look at. The only thing is I missed that. I missed when it fell apart. So that's.
No witches, please do not touch the water. You will melt.
Yeah, it's coming from this little hole right here.
Is it coming through there too?
There's a hole right there.
Yeah.
The ceiling's getting wet. Yeah, the ceiling.
You need me to find another trash can?
Yeah, we'll need another trash can right here to see.
I think we're past trash cans.
We're never past trash cans. That's technology that we were invented to use.
Very large house. That's here, right here, and then that's here. Let's put things around to keep people from going through.
Oh, you already have it. We got more chairs in the rooms if you need them. We have plenty more chairs.
I'll grab that one. I'll bring it up.
You know, they got the area sealed off. Ah, they got the tape. Oh, goody, you got the tape there, goody.
Yeah, we need to go all the way over here.
Look, a little path. There's a little path with you guys. And then we should probably do it on that side too. Do
Okay,
it.
rubbers additional.
We need another one.
Do we?
Oh, do we? Yes, because one is coming down on top of the sign.
Okay, nothing really.
Alright, so I go 64 hours, you take me to do it again?
Yeah, you'll come back. This is the Titanic. This is the John Smith moment. You go to bed, and that's when everything
I've got another leak
wrong
starting right there.
happens.
All the interesting.
Where?
Right here. Because it's
Oh, well, it's
here
not.
and going here.
I think it's dripping off from the other thing.
Well, it still means we've got two of them right here
Keep
starting.
going through that way. One here.
I need. I am so sorry, Alan. Not to there.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That should be enough.
Right before the sign was, they're starting to get a halfway down floor down here. Yeah.
Yeah. That was legitimate. We also are going to be right here.
You got another one? Okay.
Okay, just. Well, now we know what tripped the fire alarm.
Take it all the way to the wall, or people are trying.
Well, hang on, we're bringing another trash can in for that hole over there.
Okay.
Need a sign pointing people that way.
I can probably print that.
You sign those flags.
Okay. Okay.
You can be the man of light of the. Oh, that is perfect. That is a lovely shot. I think that may have been one of the best pictures I've taken.
Coming down.
I am standing in front of P5.
Man, that was draining out like crazy. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so, I would recommend a sign to give people.
Not.
album that way. I know, seriously. No, that's the first thing I thought of.
Okay, I think that's ready to go.
I'm confused, guys. Where is this?